Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun where we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from SMALLRIG and this is a multi-tool. Now this multi-tool would be handy if you're like a run and gun person or you have a fairly well packed camera bag and you wanted to be able to adjust different mounts for your camera or your tripod. And so this tool would be quite handy to get for this. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out of the box and have a bit of a closer look at this multi-tool and see if this is something you might want to get for your camera equipment too. So the first thing out the box is this little case here, which is quite nice. It's a bit of a hard case and this would carry your multi-tool, and if you unzip it you can see that you've got room for also some cables as well as the multi-tool itself. It zips up and it also has this little bit here which you could put on a little hook or something on your belt or even on your backpack. So that's quite neat, and that's the first thing out the box. Next is another little carrying case. Now this is actually to hold the multi-tool in its own little case, which is quite nice too, and it's a little zip drawn thing, and this is included as well, which is good. And then finally we actually have the multi-tool itself, and as you can see it's quite a nice looking tool. Now it's got various thread marks here which we're putting different screw threads in here so that you can keep them safe when you're out and about, including your tripod mount and any other screws you need. And then as you can see it's got all these different heads for different types of things. Like these here are all Allen key type heads, and then on this side you've got Phillips, and you've got some other types of hexagon type shaped heads, and also like a flat sort of head that you could use to screw down the tripod mount to your camera. Now overall this is actually great and quite nice and compact to have, and it saves carrying say screwdrivers or anything else in your backpack. So I could highly recommend this if you're someone who likes to go out a lot on shoots and you want a quick tool that you can carry in your backpack or in your camera bag that you can use to, you know, cater with all the different connections and things that you might need for your camera and tripod mount. So overall I think this is great. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.